Welcome to Mystical Minds. I am your host, Jamie Gerard. Today, I'll be reading you a poem called Walking in Forgiveness from the book 95 Poetic Cues, written by Donnie Martin Gerard. Walking in forgiveness. You walk unforgivably because you fail to see them for who they are. They are merely confused, clueless, and lost in a chaotic world of today. Everyone has reason for who they are today, whether their present molds them or their past. Be the forgiving person who sees them for who they are and the potential of who they can be. Thank you so much, Danny G. That was amazing. Now, I'd like to take a moment with you and think of 3 things you're grateful for from yesterday. So if you're able, close your eyes and think of the 3 things you're grateful from yesterday. I am grateful for finding a new thing for my program to edit. I'm also grateful for Google for making these platforms available for us, and YouTube. What are you grateful for? Now, take a deep breath in and let it out. With love, thank you so much for listening. Have a beautiful day.